Hey guys, welcome back to Knowledge Hub GPT. Today we're exploring OpenAI's latest innovation, GPT4o Mini. This model aims to make AI more affordable and accessible. So let's dive in. So here are some key features. First up, we have cost efficiency. GPT4o Mini is priced at 15 cents per million input tokens and 60 cents per million output tokens, over 60% cheaper than GPT 3.5 Turbo. We also have performance, with an MMLU score of 82%, outperforming other small models. Reasoning and coding excels in benchmarks, scoring 87.0% on MGSM for math reasoning and 87.2% on Human Eval for coding. Versatile applications. It's ideal for tasks needing low cost and latency, such as chaining model calls, handling large context volumes, and real-time responses. It's ideal for tasks needing low cost and latency, such as chaining model calls, handling large context volumes, and real-time text responses. Number 4, it's multimodal capabilities. It supports text and vision now. With future plans for text, image, video, and audio inputs and outputs, it has a context window of 128,000 tokens and supports up to 16,000 output tokens per request. Companies like Ramp and Superhuman have found GPT4o Mini to significantly outperform GPT 3.5 Turbo for tasks like data extraction and email generation. Of course, safety is paramount, and GPT4o Mini includes robust safety measures from filtering unwanted content during pre-training to reinforcement learning with human feedback. OpenAI continues to reduce costs and enhance capabilities, and GPT4o Mini is a big step forward, making AI more integral into our daily lives. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Knowledge Hub GPT for more AI updates, and we'll see you next time.